Sometimes I feel like they just don't go in all the way.
So we had our well drilled yesterday.
If you're new here, I'm Megan and this is Beau and our daughter Beckett. For 10 months now, we've been living on our land in northeastern Washington while building a shop house. We've had our struggles and we didn't pass inspection. And we've had our successes along the way. But each day we are closer to moving in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join us on this wild ride. Oh, I didn't realize they were putting the thing in.
Go. Come on. Wire for you. Let me see if Sheriff can go back through that.
And you guys did the coolant line?
Yep. It's ran
Or whatever, condensation line or whatever?
Oh yeah. That's ran around the side and then refrigerant hose ran.
Sweet.
That 4-inch filter is nice.
Yeah. I recommend buying the cheapest one you can.
Really?
All my customers. Cheapest one you can and
Leave it, Bane.
just change it once a month.
Okay.
Best for heat pump, AC, everything.
With our AC and our ductwork complete, it is time to finish framing and add some outdoor lighting with the help of our visitors.
Much better. I'm much happier with that. It's gonna be covered up anyway.
Nobody's gonna see it.
I gotta nail this guy up.
Yeah. But I wonder if that one's too long.
This one?
Yeah, because
It's not touching right now.
even when you push it up, I don't know if it looks level.
Okay.
You might
I
want to
get
put
what
your
you're
level. Yeah. There you go.
Because he doesn't have anything.
You might want something to screw to
Back
the
here?
sheetrock though, right?
Yeah.
So maybe just like a block.
7.5 is what it's showing.
Okay.
You think in between here?
Yep.
We'll just lay it flat.
Uh-huh.
I don't care if it's a 2x6 or a 2x12. Let's see, we're looking 21 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. Nope, sorry, not 5/8, 5/16.
Really? Good job.
Almost there. That's good enough for me.
You gonna take the hammer or anything?
Oh yeah, sure, thank you. All the tools I'm balancing.
Is this the balance bike?
That one got me in the ear. I'm not kidding, these things are vicious.
Up at the top,
Uh-huh.
and then maybe just another one here.
Can you believe she sleeps through all this noise?
That's funny.
Like, doesn't even phase her. That's it. I think that's all the framing that we have to do. Gosh, if it's not, then I give up. Actually, I do think there is one more that we have to do downstairs.
One in that closet right there, do you think?
Oh, balls.
There's this one right here.
I think that will just cut the shelves out
Perfect.
and go around it.
You can
You know,
always-
because if we put in,
you can always put contact paper or something around it.
yeah, just, you know, just
Oh yeah.
cut out the back of the shelf
Yeah.
instead of framing around it. I think that's what we'll do for that. But the one downstairs, the radon pipe, although we don't have any studs that size. Or not the radon pipe, the vent pipe in the master closet, you know?
Are they longer?
Yeah, they're 104, 5 and 5/8.
5/8.
Yeah, they're 10 foot. So, and we don't have any of those. So that'll be, I think we're gonna call that for now and take our drink break.
Okay, so we need to get this transcribed over here. Here.
other weekend I got to do cleaning duty and cooking duty. Beau's now teaching me how to drywall.
What do that?
He's teaching me how to hang drywall.
Ready when you are. Maybe.
These little toe things are, oh, that's as far as I'm going.
Uh-oh. Were you using this one?
Yeah.
It's in reverse. I did that probably 10 times.
I was like, I can't get a screw to go in to save my life up there.
Every
I
time,
must have just-
every time I did it, people were holding the board too.
I was like, these are not going in. Maybe I'm doing. Well, that makes sense then.
Hold me right here. Let's go 141 3/4. We're drywalling again. Megan Lee's screwing. What are you supposed to not do? Look at the camera when you say that?
Don't look at the camera when I'm screwing.
Make sure you go around and lay out where your studs land, because when you cover it, you don't know where the hell to put your screws. And we mark it on the ceiling too.
Already did it.
Sweet! Let me just bounce this camera off every stud we own. Get this other one up.
Huh?
We're ready!
Okay. One more.
About to close off the gime.
Say what?
About to close off the gime.
Angle.
Of the dangle?
Yeah, it makes it so it like stops early because it hits
Oh yeah. The ones in the corner, we were using the other drill.
Yeah, because they don't quite
Yeah.
flush.
Oh god.
Good?
We're completely backwards.
Oh shit.
I thought you cut the hole out already, and then we just flipped it so it was wrong. You know
Yeah.
what I mean?
I hear you. Go on your way.
Okay.
You think that's for your toe?
Yeah.
Oh,
What do you think it was for?
no idea. You don't want
Absolutely for your toe.
Stay right there. Cool.
Worked for me anyway.
Yeah.
I'm nice and tight on this side.
Uno, dos, quattro!
What is quadruple?
Quattro! I thought you said you're nice and tight. What's going on over there?
Because it's.
I think your thing's under the.
Oh, am I under the stud?
Yeah, you're under the wall.
Trying to lift up the. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm good. It's almost a room. 2 walls left. Put it in it.
Yeah.
Stick it in the hole.
Put the finger in the hole. Go. Oh, let go of the top.
Okay.
Slide it in like this.
Switch boxes.
You slam?
I'm good.
Oh god. Where's yours?
Oh no!
Megan.
It's not my size to fill. Oh, it's still there.
Okay. screw city. As you can see, concentration on her face.
You're not zooming in on my eyeballs anymore.
Zoom queen.
Our first room.
This is the first one that's 100% drywall. It's not 100% screwed. Pretty close.
Where are we missing screws? Where did I miss screws?
Oh, no, you're
I
good.
got it all.
Maybe a couple more things to put on, but dang! And besides, Colby and Tyler's mess up.
Right there.
Wow, Zoom queen.
Right there. It's done. There's our gym. You do an exercise. You're supposed to take your feet apart when you do jumping jacks.
It's insulation day. They're here bright and early. It's not even 8 o'clock. They're gonna finish the spray foam insulation, which means we can, well, we still are waiting on the batting insulation too, but then we can get some more drywalling done. So it's time to see that awesome spray foam insulation again. Same people, same company. They're protecting all the drywall and everything right now that's up against the walls so they don't ruin any of our material, which is fantastic. They're covering anything that they don't want spray foam to drip on. So I absolutely appreciate this company. They've done a fantastic job previously. Can't wait to see it again.
Check out the progress of spray foam. How's it coming?
Quick, easy. Be out of here in about an hour and a half.
Nice. That's so sweet.
Are you guys scheduled for bath real soon?
I don't know, I gotta call, what's the guy's name? Brent today. So I'll show you here. We had to leave this, we kind of explained it to you, we had to leave this portion of the drywall off so we could spray foam up in here. And again, the reason why is the blow-in will come up to this elevation, and they didn't want the blow-in being in contact with any wood surfaces that can condensate, and then the condensation soak into the blow-in. So as you can see, the spray foam up to where the above where the elevation of the blow-in will be. So hopefully that makes sense. That's so crazy.
They did a great job. They worked nicely, but we asked them about our garage door that we have in here for the dining room. We have the garage door, but we are waiting on the lift because we want it to open. So I don't know if you can see this or not, but most garage doors open like this. We want it to go like this. That way it doesn't obscure any of the light or cover the island will be right here. So we want it to go up when it opens, and it's only an 8-foot door, so it's not even gonna go all the way to the ceiling. But we were told that that lift was on order. Come to find out, it was never ordered.
Since November.
Yes, we were told in November that it was ordered. Never was ordered. So the door company that actually made and installed and worked on all of our doors is working with us directly, just kind of cutting out the middleman to get it taken care of. They are going to come out next week and actually just install the door. It won't be working. Yeah, we'll see. That's the plan.
Oh yeah, they also didn't tell them the correct track that it had, so they were assuming it was a different piece altogether. Anyways, it's just kind of another mess. And unfortunately, it's just miscommunication from our original contractors. The door also, we found out today, doesn't have double pane windows in it. They're just single pane, which is gonna be an issue down the road, but regardless, we need to get it hung because now all of our insulation is done, with the exception of the blow-in in the attic, but most of the ceiling is capped with sheetrock. So once that's all done, there'll still be that barrier. But we just have a big gaping hole right here, right now that Tyvek and plywood are covering for us. So hopefully they can come out next week. We have to do a little bit more framing. They asked us today if we could add like a 2x6 right here going all the way up for, I'm assuming for the lift to operate on, and then there's a piece that they want installed above the window. So we'll get that taken care of this weekend too, so that way if they can come out next week, we can get this garage door put in. Super excited to see this garage door. It's like in pieces on our porch, and we've never seen it opened or anything, so it'll be nice. It's supposed to be black with big windows in it, so it should let lots of light in over here. Excited to see that. Hopefully it gets installed next week, but we'll see.
It won't be impossible to make happen, but it would have been nice if we would have caught that on the last inspection.